Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to show you guys and reveal the secret of making money from reselling Supreme products. So I'll be giving you guys a step-by-step instruction on how to make money in case you guys don't know how to do it. But just like every business, there's always a risk. Either you're going to make money, lose money, or break even. So I got this on February 22nd, 2018. I got this shoulder bag for $54. And I also purchased this with a long sleeve t-shirt, red color, size medium for $44. So the total was like $98 and then $10 shipping. And then the tax, $8.37. So my total damage was about $116.37. That's including this shoulder bag and a long sleeve t-shirt. So I just resold this for $310.98. But unfortunately, the seller is brand new to eBay. It's a new account. So if you sell anything over $250, you want to require adult signature. That's eBay's policy. If you don't do that, and then the buyers do a false claim or fraudulent claim that they did not get it, it's going to bounce back on you. So adult signature is like an insurance. So the other party needs to sign for the product when they receive it, or else they could claim that they never got it or the package got stolen. So if it's anything above $250, I would say you must use a signature require. If you don't do that, you are taking a risk on this, okay? So the reason I recorded today's video, I also want to document this from beginning to end. So I'm going to pack everything into the box and everything, and to prove that I ship it out and everything in case the seller try to file and claim that this bag is not real or anything like that. I've proved. Anyway, he already requests for me to send him the original receipt that I got directly from supremenewyork.com. Lucky I still save all my emails. So it is a good idea to save all your emails or don't delete it. And then for the future reference, in case a buyer needs to verify that it is original that he purchased from Supreme. Because I purchased this online, so there is no actual receipt, only the email confirmation with the amount that I pay. So at first I sent him the email without coming from supremenewyork.com, and he was requesting for me to screenshot that. So I make it smaller and screenshot it to him. So he was pretty happy. So anyway, let me show you guys the bag real quick. As you can see, it has the original authentic sticker right here still. And there's a black box logo right here, Supreme. Original Cordura fabric tag, durable, versatile, reliable, and everything. And all the zipper has a white KK front and then the back. So I just want to film this real quick. Everything's legit. And this one is a double zipper, and you got this black string for all the pull tab. It's in nut. And then inside there is a Supreme made in China, and then a Supreme. There's a knit pocket right here. And then there's your Cordura brand fabric tag right there. Okay. So what I like to do is to buy something that is very light to ship. With the skateboard and everything, those are big items, and then it's hard to ship. So, and this is the original silica gel that came with it. So I'm going to leave this zipper open, not too close, because sometimes when shipment, it might bounce back and forth and then end up scratching those paint. So just be careful about everything that you pack. So I was gonna go by a cheaper route, put in like another shipping bag, but I try to be a nice guy and then give like a hard cardboard, so in case it doesn't get smashed or anything. But this is a shorter bag, but you want to be presentable when the customer receive it. You want to have like a pristine condition. So they're like a clear tape. So this is a clear tape, okay? Make sure you, in case you want to legit check it. Make sure it's not Scotch tape. Yeah, so it's very hard for me to see how to peel it off. Because clear and clear. That's right here. Okay. So I'm trying to fold back to its original position right there. Oh my god, it's folding back. So it's gonna be tough. So I'm gonna put the in the ad I didn't put a sticker, so this time I'm gonna give him a sticker since he paid a good price for it. So I recycle my boxes. So as you can see, there's a label that was removed from previously. So I purchased this from a 99-cent store. That is pretty cheap. just be sure to check it. Make sure it has enough glue, because there's one time I purchased from 99-cent store, and then it wasn't even sticking. So gotta be careful, because you don't want this to be open during the delivery and stuff like that. So now you know why I have a long fingernail. It's like a tool for me to use, repair, prying tools, or taking this tape out. So before 99-cent was pretty cheap, but they keep on increasing the price. This was like a Scotch. It came with the tape like this for 99-cent. So lucky I still have this. So now I'm gonna get my weight to weight it and everything before you print out a label. All right, so I got this old school scale, okay? So it's 12 ounce, okay? And then I got this cutting board. If you want, you can just use a scissor after you print out the shipping label directly from eBay. And then that's it. Hopefully I can show you guys the clip real quick, how to select the signature required and everything. So this is 12 ounce. All right, so I'm in my eBay right now. And then I'm gonna go to the bell icon right here. And then click the item that has been paid, and then ship now. I'm gonna click on it. All right, so right here, you need to select the package type. You need to enter the weight, which is 12 ounce, and then click on update. Once you click on update, it's gonna show you the amount right here. All right, and then you're gonna scroll down in case your customer requests for US priority mail. You guys select whichever that you want. Let me click on compare all service. So when I click on compare all service, the insurance come with the up to $50 if you got the priority mail flat rate envelope, priority package, small flat rate box, and then a mail padded flat rate envelope, or the mail regional box A. And if you use the priority, if you use a USPS priority mail express flat rate envelope, it insure up to $100. But those are the prices I need to go through and see. All right, so now I'm gonna select protection, require signature at delivery, okay? Make sure you click on that if you sell anything that's above $250. So now you see the total amount. My shipping fee has increased by $2.60. So now I'm gonna go ahead and then purchase and print. I'm gonna turn on my printer, and let's show you guys the next step. After we print out the label, we're gonna cut it off and then slap it on this, and then go to USPS. All right, so we are back. So once I got the shipping label, I'm gonna turn it the other way because You see the line? I had to cut it off. Then I'm gonna put this on here. So in the midsection, I like to wrap around the whole box. Make sure you press the tape down. And what I like to do is rub this way too. And then that's it. We're gonna go to USPS and drop this off, okay? And I'm gonna record a clip on that because recently USPS has been some kind of problems. They either don't scan it correctly, or when it gets to the customer, they don't scan it at their location as well. So you gotta be careful. Because a couple of them has been experienced like that. But with the adult signature, I mean, with the signature required, it might be different because it requires customer signature. So, but I just want to record video that I drop it off, even though the USPS they have a camera on their location. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so we're here at the post office right now. I'm gonna drop this off.
Take care of yourself and then come here and come here. Sorry, Stella.